got this drill on Amazon. It looks pretty good. Of course, I had to get it in pink. This is the first drill I've ever had, so gonna test it out and see how I do. Alright, so here is what it looks like, and here's the brand, Garden Joy. And it looks like I put this at the bottom. So then it goes, and then you press this. Or you press that, okay, you press this button and then it turns. Okay, now I'm gonna try to figure out how to do this. Here we go. Comes with a lot of stuff, so I think I'm gonna use this one right here. Like that one. Try to get it out, but it's kind of hard. So I'm probably gonna have to use one of these things right here. Okay, there we go. I got that out, and I need to put it in here. So I'm thinking one of these might. I'm not sure. I'm thinking this one. All right. So then. Okay, then I guess that's not gonna work. I'm a little confused. I should have YouTubed this before. Alright, I watched like 3 videos and none of them really explained it until I saw like this 4th one. So what I did was grab this extra piece. Here, let me put this down. So there's this piece right here, and then this is the one I want to use. So you put this inside, and then you put it in here, and then you do like righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So I believe, let me see, I think it's this way. There we go, yeah, so that tightens it. So now if I'm pulling on this, so now it should be good. And now, so I think that's how you do it. I'm gonna test it out and see if I did this right or not, but yeah, this is my first drill, so okay. All right, it's also getting dark out, so I found out that this button right here makes it go, like if you press that button, it makes it go to the left. If you go to the other side and you press this button, it'll make it go to the right. So it'll tighten it. Let me see, yeah. Okay, there we go. So you press this one on the right to make it go right. Okay. Okay, so let's test it out on this. I don't know if I did that right. I think I needed to use the one with the cross. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to change this one. Okay, give me a second. Okay, so I'm gonna change it to this one and see how that turns out. Okay, here we go. So it looks like that's way better than the other one that I tried. I'm gonna try these. As you can see, they're not all the way inside. All right, let me see. Okay, well that's making my little decoration fall off, but you see, let me try this one. Okay, so it's not bad. I just wanted a small drill for things around the house. Nothing too big or anything, so I think it should be fine. And it comes with all these extra things, and then it comes with like the charger. Comes with some safety goggles. I'll put this to the side and show you. Comes with this. I honestly don't even know what this is for. I'm gonna have to figure it out. It's really long, I'm not sure. And then of course all these pieces go in here. So not bad for my first drill. I know I need to figure out some things, but I just wanted to share my experience. And of course the color is super cute, and then it comes with all these extra pieces. I was watching a video that had one like this, similar to this one. It's like a red color, and they showed like an extra piece that it looks like I'm missing one, so I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look into that. But yeah, so far so good. We'll see. And I did forget to mention, when you want to take this out, you just press this button right here, and then you pull it to the front. So press and then like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little unboxing tutorial. I'm not an expert, and this is my first time ever owning one, so just wanted to share. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. Bye.